Saving a block as a template is very easy. Navigate to the purple block settings bar and click Save as Template. Give your template a name and assign a category if you want to organize your templates better. Please keep in mind that this functionality is not included in every plan. When the status is public, your team is able to use it in their Foleon Docs. Let's click Save. The process of saving a page or overlay is just as easy. Go to the Pages overview and click Save as Template. So you just saved the block as a template, but where can you find it? Let's go to the dashboard and navigate to Templates. As you can see here, this is where your saved templates are stored: pages, blocks, and overlays. If you select the template we just saved, you open up the template settings. Here, you edit, preview, and change the template details such as name and category. Click Edit to open up the template editor, an environment that lets you edit a specific template. Click Done if you finished editing. So how do you actually reuse the template in your doc? Let's go to the content we're working on. Open up Blocks and drag your saved block from the Team Templates tab to your page. For pages and overlays, you'll find your templates when you create a new page or overlay. Learn more in our extensive help center at learn.foleon.com.